6y minus 2x. Okay, so fy is equal to 6y squared minus 6x, isn't it? Okay, so next is we need to equate the fx and fy equal to 0. Okay, that is our next step. Minus 2x equal to 0. So we have one equation. And 6y squared minus 6x equal to 0. Okay, this is another equation. Okay, so we want to solve for this one. Okay, so let's say we choose, okay, so we choose from 1 here. Okay, from 1. Okay, so we let negative 2x equal to 6y. So x is equal to negative 3y. Okay, so we just substitute 3 into, okay, so we will have 6y squared minus 6x is minus 3y, okay, which is equal to 0. 6y squared plus 18y equal to 0. So we have here 6y y plus 3 equal to 0. So we will solve this. 6y equal to 0, therefore y equal to 0, and y plus 3 equal to 0, and we will have y equal to minus 3. So we already have 2 points for y. Okay, so now we substitute y in 3. Okay, so y equal to 0. We have x equal to 0. Okay, for y equal to minus 3, we will have x equal to 9, right? So now we already have 2 points. Okay, which is 0, 0 and 9 minus 3. Okay, so these are the critical points. Critical points. Okay, so we have 2 critical points. 0, 0, 9 minus 3. Okay, 0, 0 and 9 minus 3. Okay, so now what's next? We already have the critical point. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to find the GAB, right? But for GAB, we need to have the fxx, fxy minus, fyy, okay, minus fxy squared. Okay, so this is our GAB. Therefore, we need to find our fxx. Okay, and then we need to find our fyy, and then we need to find our fxy. Okay, alright, so what is our fxx just now? Our fxx is minus 6y minus 2x just now, and our fy is 6y squared minus 6x just now, right? So we want to calculate for fxx minus 2, right? Minus 2. So fyy is 12y. Okay, and then fxy will be fxy. So with respect to y, minus 6. Okay, so if we substitute in fxx 0, 0, we will obtain still minus 2. Okay, so if we obtain fyy 0, 0, we will still have 0, and if fxy 0, 0, we will obtain still minus 6. Okay, alright. So first we want to check for at point 0, 0. Okay, so we want to check for at point 0, 0 here. Okay, so G 0, 0 is equal to minus 2, 0, minus 6 squared. Okay, so we will have 6 squared is 36 minus 36. Okay, so which is minus 36. Okay, so we know that if the G is less than 0 and the f x equal to minus 2 also less than 0. So what does that mean? What is the conclusion for the GAB? Less than 0. Okay, for GAB less than 0, we can say that it is a, just now what is it? It is a saddle point. Okay, so we don't have to find the FSS for G less than 0. Okay, therefore we can conclude here 0, 0. Okay, A, B, A, B, and F, A, B. Okay, which is 0, 0, and the F just now, what is the F? The value of F. Okay, so we just substitute into here. The F 0, 0. Okay, it will be 0 minus 0 minus 0. Oh, okay, it will be 0. Okay, therefore, okay, so sorry, the point here 0, 0, 0 is a saddle point. Okay, that is our conclusion for point 0, 0. Okay, so now we want to check for 9 minus 3. Okay, so now let's check for 9 minus 3 at point, let's try erase this. This time we check for 9 minus 3. Okay, okay, so for FSX 9 minus 3 remain minus 2. Okay, 9 minus 3 for this one here is, okay, so 12 multiply with minus 3, so we obtain negative 36. Okay, so for 9 minus 3 for fxy is remain minus 6. Okay, so now at point 9 minus 3. Okay, so at point 9 minus 3 here, basically our G 9 minus 3 is equal to fxx is minus 2, fyy is minus 36, fxy is minus 6 squared. So the answer is minus 2. Hold on, let's calculate it first. Let's calculate together with me. Minus 36. Okay, 36. You obtain 36. Okay, so for this case, it is greater than 0. Since it is greater than 0, we need to check for fxx. Fxx here is minus 2 and it is less than 0. So what is our conclusion? Okay, what is our conclusion? Okay, so we need to calculate for f 9 minus 3 also, which is, okay, 9 minus 3. So calculate for 9 minus 3. So we obtain 2 minus 3 cube, 6, 9 minus 3 minus 9 squared, which is equal to, if you calculate, it will be 27. Okay, alright, 27. Okay, so this is 27. Okay, since it is greater than 0, okay, and it is less, fxx is less than 0, we can say that it is local maximum. Okay, so this is local maximum. Okay, therefore the point is AB. A is 9, B is -3, and the FAB is 27, is a local maximum. Okay, alright, so we have this 2 points. Okay, 0, 0, and 9 minus 3 is a critical point, and we check these two critical point whether it is local maximum, local minimum, or saddle point. Okay, so this is our conclusion. At point 0, 0, it is a saddle point, and at point 9 minus 3 is a local maximum.